Hey guys, welcome. So we whipped up today a new chart component, and this is just in response to the fact that there was something we were trying to do that couldn't be done with Adalo existing chart components, nor the ones that have been built that we found from other people. And it is a kind of common complaint that I've heard that charts in Adalo don't always give the expected results. And so after a bit of struggle, we went and popped this one out. And so let's talk about what it does. So what this will do is it'll basically take in a list of records that you can filter in the usual way, and it'll return the count of those records grouped by whatever field you specify. So if we set this up real quick, and this app, let's give some context. This is a really basic mock-up of an ordering app. So users create orders, orders contain items. That's the gist of the data structure. And now you're up to speed. So let's take a look at how this works. Now, the kind of use case that I had was actually the best way to show it in this app would be to say, hey, I want to know how many orders a user placed on each day. So here in the X values, which is our labels at the bottom of the chart over here, what I want to show is the logged in users. No, that's not true. What I want to show is the order date. So I've gone and filtered orders by logged in users orders. Of course, I could add more if I wanted to, and that would allow me to say, I actually want orders where the orders item, contains whatever criteria. I didn't go that far, but basically using the charts, we can actually specify pretty specifically what we want to be counting. So here I'm just counting logged in users orders, and the grouping that I want to use is going to be the current order created date. And so when I do that, really nice and straightforward is, here we go. So actually these are, I can adjust the formatting, of course, but here we go. There are 3 orders 25 days ago, and there was 1 order 2 days ago. So not bad, right? Of course, we could go and update this. You know how that works. Which one do we want? Yeah, let's just go with regular date. And so here we go. That'll, of course, update. And then the other thing that we did is we made it so that it works with both date and it'll also work with text fields. So instead, let's say we wanted to do something like current order name. That'll also work. I went and put in these names, named it after the food item that was on there, but burger, soda. So basically, we have a chart that can do grouping, grouping of records that match a specific criteria or multiple criteria. So again, just from the top, how we use this is we choose the record that we want to filter for. Basically, this is really our Y value count over here. So this is what we're going to grab. From there, we can choose the sorting of the X. Actually, will that? I'm not sure. I'd have to test it. Maximum number of items if needed, but most likely what we just want is here in the X values to specify the grouping. This allows us to name the data series. And the last thing we can do is change the bar type. So we have 4 options in there: line, pie, and donut, right? And then if we go, this demo is just using a kind of static image so that it shows something because it's not as able to access the collection data. But if we go in here, we can see all the different chart types as well. So there you have it, 4 different chart types. Grouping is automatic based on X values. I have not tried putting in no X value. I'm not sure if that would do something cool or just give you, I don't know, let's find out just for fun, at the risk of ruining this video. What do we get? Yeah, we just get an unlabeled. Okay, that's not very useful. Wait, what if we do it as a bar chart? I'm going to guess again, probably no label, not very useful. So yeah, you're just getting your total count here. So if you only want one chart showing the total count, I guess it'll do that as well, but I'm not sure why that would be useful. So here, and wrapping up, again, we were using created date, but you can use date time. You can use numbers, I'm pretty sure. Let me know if you hit a bug with that, and you can use text values as well. So there it is, and you can find it in our GitHub. The link is below, and we'll post it in our store as well at some point really soon. So there you are. Enjoy.